was flicking through, and there was a video of me doing a backflip on a beach. And he was like, that's not you. There's no way that can... And I'm not the type of person to challenge. And I was like, well, just watch me. So I stood up. I had these stupid leather boots on. I tried to do a backflip and just broke my face. And yeah, I remember, I mean, I've been a gymnast since I was a little kid, and it's been years since I haven't really landed one. And I remember hitting my face on the floor going, shit, that didn't happen. I stood up, I thought I'd knocked my teeth out, and the makeup artist was laughing at me, and then when she saw my face, it went from like, oh, medic! And the guy came over and realigned my nose, and there was blood pouring out, and I got a big gash across the top of my nose. I was like, it's over, I'm done. And then Anthony Katagas came up to me and was like, Tom, listen, we're gonna send you to hospital, but can you finish your last shot? And I was like, yeah, sure. So that's to stick my tash back on, and then it was the last shot of the movie. It was us being carried down to the river, and then I went to Bogota with no one. They sent me to Bogota. No one spoke English. They kept trying to pull my trousers down at one point, and they were like, I was like, no, it's my nose. It's my nose that's broken. And they injected something in my leg, and I guess that made it all better. And then I went home and got it fixed. But yeah, so it was the craziest end to any movie I've ever made in my whole life, or ever will make, you know?